Hi, I'm Teacher Vivian, and today we're going to be doing a home activity. Our story is called Penguins in Love, and our activity is based on the book. Our penguin here is on an iceberg, and an iceberg is a large floating piece of ice. So I don't have a penguin, but I have little animals, and maybe your kids might have small little toys that they can use to put on the iceberg. So first of all, what we're going to need to do is put some water in a Ziploc bag and put the Ziploc bag in the freezer. So this way the water will become frozen, okay? Next, we're going to need a bowl, and we're going to just put some water. Doesn't have to be bottled water. It could be water from the faucet. Actually, mine was from the faucet. I just used this bottle to pour water and then to pour it into the bowl. So now I have my water in the bowl. I'm going to take out my piece of ice. When you take out the piece of ice, you can have your children do this. Have them take it out and tell them, oh, how does it feel? What's happening to the ice? What do you see? What's on your hands? Why do you think that's happening? All those open-ended questions so they could do some critical thinking skills. So here is our iceberg, which we said is a large floating piece of ice. We're going to put it into our bowl so it can float around in there, just like the iceberg in the story. Now again, like I mentioned, if your children have small little toys, they can put them on top of the iceberg and maybe count, how many can I get to fit on that iceberg? The story shows one little penguin all alone on his iceberg. But you can see how many can your children balance, and then also if the if the bowl is filled up with water, will their toys float like the ice, or will they sink? I don't know. Those are good things to ask and try and experiment with. Well, I hope you like this activity, your own homemade iceberg. Asking open-ended questions. What happened to this water when we put it into the freezer? Why does this one look hard and it's cold? And why is this one liquidy? Asking those open-ended questions will get your kids thinking. And you too. Well, I hope you like this activity and give it a try. Thank you.